Hello, my name is Jerry Fenner. I will be your fifth grade math and science teacher. Um, One of the things I like for my students to know is as much about me as possible. So, in this virtual open house, I'm going to share as much as I feel comfortable with. And if you have any questions at all when you come to the classroom, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Like I said, as long as I feel comfortable with it. Um, I have been teaching now for 30 years. This will be my 31st year of teaching. It seems like time has just flown by. Um, I have been teaching in the Iroquois School District for 23 years, and this will be my 24th year in the Iroquois School District. One of the things I want you to know is that we all struggle. When I was in fifth grade was one of the many difficult years I had growing up. And it's because of those struggles that I had that I want to help you as my students to be as successful as you could possibly be. One of the things I feel that is most important is that you have the right attitude. We can't control our circumstances. The things that are going on around us, especially now, are beyond our control, but we can control our attitude. And every day, I try my very best to have a good attitude. Now, let's say, for example, I don't have a very good attitude. One of the things I have to do is take some time to reflect and try to work out what's causing my attitude to not be what it should be. Sometimes I'll talk to my students about it. Sometimes it was something happened on the way to school or something happened the day before. And often if you talk about those things, then you are able to build an understanding with somebody else, and then you can let it go for a period of time so that then you're able to learn. So that's what I think is really important. I have been married now for 10 years, and we just adopted our third child. I have a 5-year-old daughter. Many of you might have seen her in the school last year. Her name's Rebecca. I have a 2-year-old son. His name is Noah, and we just adopted on August 17th our newest addition to our family, David Allen Fenner. So I'm very excited. Also, it can create a lot of craziness at our house, having 3 young children, but it's all a blessing, and I just enjoy them immensely. This school year, as you well know, is going to be different from any other year, and that's the case for myself as well. Uh, Our homeroom classroom will only have 16 students. That is extremely low. And that's on purpose because of the COVID-19 and the social distancing, and we'll all be wearing masks. So things are going to be extremely different and difficult at times. But I want to reassure you, we're all doing this together. And um, it's it's not always going to be easy, but I'll tell you something. I'm really encouraged by there's a lot of good that's coming out of this. You will have your own computer, and we're going to learn together in many cases because there's some things I don't even know how to use. We're going to learn together how to use those computers daily so that we are ready to go every single day. Uh, so that all your lessons, math and science, and I know with Mrs. Flagg as well, all of her language arts lessons and social studies will all be able to be completed on the computer. I'm going to show you right now what our classroom looks like so that when you come in on the first day on September 8th, you'll have a little bit of understanding of what it looks like. This is our classroom. And you will notice that I have desks this year, and inside the classroom there are a total of 18 desks. I'm not quite sure how it's going to work yet. My understanding is you are going to have an assigned seat. and that you'll keep that seat throughout the year, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Also, we're going to have these, as you well know, all of us are going to be wearing masks all the time. Now, we have talked about as a school about taking mask breaks, so we'll have to figure out what we're going to do about all that. But we're all going to get through this all together. When you come through the classroom door, you're going to go right to your seat every day. And then after a period of time, when I see that there's enough students here, I'll dismiss you to go to your actual locker to put just some of your basics, like your backpack and your coat, during the wintertime, boots. But everything else is going to stay pretty much self-contained within your very own desk. You see at the desks, there's a pocket area, a pocket folder. In the back of your chair, you have your actual desk itself. So it's going to be your space, your area for you to be using. As I said before, I'm looking forward to the new school year. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you and getting to know you. I love to share stories about things that are going on in my life. I'd like you to share stories about what's going on in your life as well. I think it's best, that is the best way for us to get to know each other and feel more connected in the classroom. So I look forward to seeing you, and I hope you have a good rest of the summer, and I will see you in a few days. Thank you very much. Goodbye.